Hi everyone, this is Richard Nance, and today I present to you a 2020 MACK ANTHEM sleeper truck. This is a local fleet to us, Southern rust-free truck, MP8, 445 horsepower, mDrive transmission. This truck's been through our service department, has oil change, fuel filter change, air filter change, DPF has been taken out, cleaned, that system has been inspected, and is working as designed. It's a 233-inch wheelbase truck. I have 3 of these trucks in stock with 405, 407, and 458 on the miles. Please contact Richard, 336-663-2891. Thank you.